Hey everyone, and welcome to Boldlyher25 Business. My name is Vicky, and on this channel, I help amazing women just like you grow their confidence, boost their income, and make a real impact online. If you've been dreaming of starting your own business but aren't sure where to begin, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting opportunities out there: how to start a digital product business from scratch. It's easier than you think, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's get started on building your empire. First things first, what exactly is a digital product? Simply put, it's any product you create and sell online that a customer can download or access immediately. There's no physical item to ship. Think about things like ebooks packed with your knowledge, comprehensive online courses that teach a skill, or helpful printables like planners and checklists. You could also create beautiful templates for social media, resumes, or websites. If you're artistic, you could sell digital art, custom fonts, or photo presets. The possibilities are truly endless. Unlike a physical product, you create it once, and you can sell it over and over again. It's all about sharing your expertise or creativity in a digital format that provides value to your customers. It's a powerful way to turn what you know into a stream of income, and we'll explore just how powerful it can be. So, why should you consider selling digital products? The benefits are incredible, especially for new entrepreneurs. First, the startup costs are super low. You don't need to worry about manufacturing, inventory, or storage space. Your biggest investment is your time and your knowledge. Second, digital products are highly scalable. Whether you sell 1 copy or 1,000 copies, the work on your end is the same. This leads to the third, and maybe most exciting benefit: passive income potential. Once your product is created and your sales system is set up, it can generate income for you 24/7, even while you sleep or are on vacation. And finally, say goodbye to shipping and logistics. There are no boxes to pack, no post office runs, and no international shipping headaches. Your customer gets instant access, and you get to focus on growing your business, not managing inventory. It's a modern, efficient, and flexible business model perfect for today's world. Now let's talk about finding your niche. This is a crucial step that can make or break your business. A niche is your specific corner of the market. You want to choose something that is not only profitable but also something you're genuinely passionate about. Start by thinking about your skills and knowledge. What are you good at? What do people always ask you for help with? Maybe you're a whiz at meal prepping, a master of personal finance, or have a talent for graphic design. Next, think about your target audience. Who do you want to serve? Understanding their problems, needs, and desires is key. Finally, do some market research to validate demand. Are people actively searching for solutions in this area? Are they willing to pay for them? Look at what other creators are doing, check out forums like Reddit or Quora, and use tools like Google Trends. The sweet spot is at the intersection of your passion, your audience's needs, and proven market demand. Don't try to appeal to everyone. Focus on serving a specific group of people really well. Okay, you've found your niche. Now for the fun part: creating your first digital product. Don't let this step intimidate you. There are so many amazing tools available that make it easy. For creating things like ebooks, workbooks, and templates, Canva is your best friend. It's a user-friendly graphic design tool with tons of templates to get you started. You can also use AI tools like ChatGPT to help you outline your content or brainstorm ideas. If you're creating an online course, you can record videos using your smartphone or a simple webcam and use free software to edit them. For audio products like meditations or a private podcast, all you need is a decent microphone and a quiet room. You can then package your content into easily accessible formats like PDFs for documents, MP4 for videos, and MP3 for audio. The key is to start simple. Focus on creating a high-value product that solves a specific problem for your customer. You don't need fancy equipment or a Hollywood budget to create something amazing and valuable. Once your product is ready, it's time to get it in front of the right people. This is where marketing and selling come in. You can't just create a product and hope people find it. You have to promote it. Social media is a powerful tool. Pick 1 or 2 platforms where your ideal customer hangs out, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, or LinkedIn, and start sharing valuable content related to your niche. Build a community and a relationship with your audience. Another non-negotiable is building an email list. Offer a freebie like a checklist or a mini guide in exchange for someone's email address. This allows you to communicate with them directly, nurture the relationship, and promote your products. When it comes to selling, you have a few options. You can use marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad, which are great for beginners because they already have a built-in audience. Or you can set up your own simple website using platforms like Shopify or StanStore to have more control over your branding and customer experience. The key is to be consistent with your marketing efforts. Before we wrap up, I want to share a few essential tips for beginners. First, and I can't stress this enough, start small. Don't try to create a massive 20-module course for your first product. Start with a smaller, lower-priced item like an ebook or a template. This allows you to learn the process without feeling overwhelmed. Second, validate your idea before you invest too much time creating it. Talk to your potential audience. Ask them if your product idea is something they would actually pay for. You can even pre-sell it to guarantee you have paying customers before you build it. Third, always be testing and improving. Once you launch, gather feedback from your customers. What did they love? What could be better? Use that feedback to improve your product and your marketing. And finally, automate where possible. Use tools to schedule your social media posts or automate your email sequences. This will free up your time so you can focus on creating new products and growing your business. Alright, that's your crash course on starting a digital product business. I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to take action. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and creating your first digital product is an amazing first step toward building the business and life of your dreams. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Boldlyher25 Business for more tips on growing your confidence, income, and impact. Don't forget to follow me on social media, and I love to hear in the comments what digital product you're thinking of creating. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.